Hello guys, welcome to Master G Programming video tutorials. In this video I will be making a game of tic-tac-toe. I will be making a game of tic-tac-toe in the command prompt that will be working on the input by the user. So let's get started with the making board. We will start with creating a board. First of all, we will create a board of tic-tac-toe. So for making the board, I will be creating a function named board. So board will be void type as it will not return anything. So for creating a board, we have to be very patient in making because it will be taking a long time. So I will not be showing you all these steps as I will be showing you directly. You can create it because it's not a very big thing. You can do it by yourself. You can copy it, all the lines like this. You can do it like this. You can make a cross and then put endl after every statement. So after doing this, we have to create an array. We can make an array of character that will be holding. You can see this type. I have created a crossboard. Now we will give the input. We will be giving the input with the help of array. So I will be creating an array globally so that it can be used in every function. So array will be having 10 elements from 0 to 9. So this way we will be entering the elements to the array 0 1 2 3 4, and that's all. We have given all the elements in the array. Now I will be inserting these elements in the gap between all these 0 to 9. We will not be requiring 0 in this. Directly we can go to the first element, but as the array starts with the 0, so I have uses the 0 index also. But while inputting in the crossboard, we will be using the array with the 1 2 3 like this. The element will get inserted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I will be doing all this. I will be copy this, and that's all. You can see it here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Crossboard is ready. Now we will go to the main function. This is the main part because it's all the logic that will be performing during the execution of a tic-tac-toe program. So here is the main function, int main slash. For making it attractive, we are using slash t. So tic-tac-toe, this is the message for the user. Player 1 will use cross, player 0, player 2 will use 0. This is the message for the players that will be playing that game. Then in player equals to 1. We will initialize the value of the player with the 1. As player is 1 or 2, so player is, here the player is 1. Initial value of player is 1. Then I have used two other variables, I and choice, and another variable mark that is of character type. Then we will be starting with the do while program, do while function loop. In this do while loop, we will be using this what we call the conditional operator. player equals to, not player, what we will be making is, first of all we will call the board function, so that in front of the user the board will appear of the crossboard, and then we go to the player equals to player modulus 2 question mark, it will return 1 or 2, then see out player enter your choice. So this is message for the user whose chance has come for giving the input. See in choice, then after getting the choice from the user, either it put 0 or cross. If my equals to 1, player equals to 1, then cross. If player value is 1, then it goes to cross, else it goes to 0, because there is only two choices, either 1 or 2. If 1, then cross, then else 2 is 0. If choice equals to 1, now comes the part of the choice where the user chooses the position to where put the cross or where put the 0. So in this case, if choice equals to 1, if the user wants to give the cross or 0 at the position 1, so if choice equals to 1 and square 1 equals to 1, then square 1 and this mark will hold the cross or 0. If player equals to 1, then cross, and player equals to 2, then 0. And then we will put all these statements again and again. If choice is 2, then square 2 is 2, choice is 3, square 3 is 3, choice is 4, square 4 is 4. So through this we will be doing like this. At the particular position of the crossboard, we'll putting the particular value of the mark. Now that's all from this tutorial. We will be continuing this tutorial in the next tutor number 54. So stay tuned with Master G. Thank you.